Last day na namin dito sa Cebu. Today is our third day and we are going back to SM para mag-dinner sa Rico's Lechon. Cebu's the best good siya. I'm no longer in the assignment.
Tita Barla loving life. Yes, welcome to my vlog. Subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. See ya! Tita Barla at ang bago niyang buhay. Bagong ticket.
So, good morning again. This is Tita Barla. Welcome to my channel. So, ang pang last day na namin dito sa Cebu. Today is our third day and we are going back to SM para i-meet up ang aking BFF. Ang aking BFF na hindi na kay sister. From IT Park to SM, nagmamay bus lang kami. Maganda naman sa may bus kasi malaki at aircon pa. Actually, isang straight lang yung SM at saka IT Park.
It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath.
Nga pala, itong pag-alis namin is after lunch na to. Doon na kami sa aming Airbnb nagla-lunch. So, tamang ikot lang sa SM habang inaantay si BFF. Nanood ng program dito sa may entertainment area na dahil ito ay Independence Day. Ang pakay lang talaga ni BFF is magkita sila ni mother at ni sister kasi dati after nag-graduate kami, nagsama kami sa isang boarding house mga more or less 2 years kaya kilala si BFF at ang pamilya ko. Hindi rin kami nagtagal na magkita ni BFF dahil bumalik na kami sa IP Park at si mas malapit na sa amin dahil hindi kami pwedeng magtagal kasi kinabukasan ng maaga, we have to leave kasi uuwi na at babalik na si sister. So, dito kami magdi-dinner na sa Ayala Central Block. We decided na dito kami magdi-dinner sa Rico's Lechon. Cebu's the best good siya. Actually, may mga ibang namang mga menu pero meron din doong lechon na pwedeng kilo-kilo lang ang bibilhin mo. So, dito na kami kakain. Para pag uwi namin, maglalakad na lang kami doon sa aming Airbnb.
How long can you hold onto your breath for? It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment, cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer, but don't hold your breath.
So this is it guys, today is another day and today is our last day here in Cebu dahil si sister ay papauwi na sa kanilang planet at the same time kami na din ay uuwi na rin sa amin. Ihahatid muna namin si sister doon sa international at pagpasok niya saka naman kami babalik dito sa domestic para ang flight ni sister kasi 12 ng tanghali, kami 10:30. So after breakfast andun na kami pa international. Arrival man ni dire. Mo bitong gi-welcome sila to Cebu. Tala dito katong na-room dito. Malimit lang talaga ang days ni sister dito, mga more or less 8 days. Ayun, to be exact. Ang importante sa amin yan yung time namin at presence na magkasama kaming apat, kaming magkapamilya. And then siguro goodbye, today is goodbye, pero yung goodbye doesn't mean anything. It is not forever. Dahil ito'y sa amin, it's not forever, it's not the end. It simply means I'll miss you until we met again. Okay, happy trip sister, happy trip din to us dahil babalik na kami sa aming mga sariling buhay. Andito na kami sa aming gate, pauwi sa amin. At good thing, wala akong assignment na ngayon. Hindi na ako nasa emergency exit. So, alam nyo bang, pag upo ko talaga, ay diretso akong nakatulog. Di ko na malayan na umandar na pala kami. And I'm no longer in the assignment. Then 1 hour after we are home. So andito naman kami nag-lunch. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. This is Tito Barla.